This session is in continuity to our previous discussions on charting in Excel, and from this session onwards we're going to learn about different options associated with charting in Excel. So before we move forward, let's create up a sample chart and start working onwards. So first I select up a data on which I want to build up a chart, go to the insert tab and create up a sample column chart over here. Now we all know about the meaning of all these entities associated with this chart. This is the x-axis, the y-axis, legend, and this is itself the data. Now there's one thing that you would have probably noticed in our all previous sessions is that whenever the chart is selected, there comes over three additional tabs in the Excel menu over here, which don't really exist if the chart is not selected. So whenever I select up a chart, these three tabs appear, and from this session onwards we're going to discuss about different options that exist in these tabs. So beginning with the first one, let's just discuss about what would happen if we click on the change chart type option over here. And just to give you a brief understanding of like what really lies behind this icon is that so for example, you have created up a chart in Excel and it is a column chart to begin with, but later on, say your manager comes over and asks you to convert this chart to a line chart. Now one of the ways of doing this thing is that you can delete this chart, select the data, and go forth creating up a line chart out of this data also. But by this time you could have heavily formatted this data. Probably you might have changed the blue and the red colors, you might have hidden these grid lines, you might have changed the y-axis or the x-axis, and you might have to redo the same process on the line chart again. But Excel provides you a very easy alternative to this whole process. All you need to do while you want to change the chart type is you need to first select the chart of which you want to change the chart type, go on to the chart tools design tab over here and click on change chart type. And now there you go, you have a whole lot of charting options presented over here which you can select from. If you want a column type of representation of your data, you can go ahead. If you want a line type, if you want a pie type, bar type, area, XY, scatter charts, everything is simply accessible at a click of a button. So you want to convert this column chart into a line chart, so let's just click on this line chart and click OK, and there you go, the whole line chart, the whole column chart has been converted into a line chart, which is exactly what you wanted. Now let's just convert this chart to even further more different type of a chart. What if I want to convert this to a stacked bar chart? So clicking on this, pressing the OK button, there you go. Now the line chart has been converted into a stacked bar chart. Everything else remaining the same. So this is about the change chart type option in Excel. Thank you for watching.